India in 2030 is poised to be one of the most dynamic and influential countries in the world. With a population of over 1.3 billion people and a rapidly growing economy, India is projected to become the third largest economy in the world by 2030. One of the key drivers of India's growth will be its young and skilled workforce. India is expected to have the largest workforce in the world by 2030, with a median age of just 32 years. This youthful demographic presents a significant opportunity for India to leverage its human capital and drive economic growth across a range of industries. India's economy is also expected to be powered by the growth of its digital economy. The widespread adoption of smartphones and the internet is transforming the way Indians live, work, and consume goods and services. By 2030, India is projected to have over 1 billion internet users, making it the largest digital economy in the world. However, India will also face significant challenges in the coming years. Climate change, air pollution, and water scarcity will continue to be major issues, requiring urgent action from policymakers and the private sector. In addition, India's rapid urbanization will require significant investments in infrastructure, housing, and transportation to ensure that cities are livable and sustainable. Despite these challenges, India is well positioned to continue on its path of growth and development in the coming years. With a rich cultural heritage, a dynamic and entrepreneurial spirit, and a commitment to innovation, India is poised to make a significant contribution to the global community in the years ahead.